Hey guys, this is Liz from the Outdoor Plus. This is the Ignite series, and today I'm going to show you how to remove some scuffs and scratches out of your concrete fire pit. So the first step, you want to get a wet rag and go clean it over your stain or your scratch. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then we'll grab our dry rag and just dry it. Our third step would be getting the Scotch-Brite and sand it down. As you can see, the advantage of our concrete fire pits is that the color is through and through. So you won't see no difference of color. And then we'll clean it again with our wet rag. Dry it up. For your scratches or scuffs, we have the repair kit that will include the paint and the sealer mixed in the bottle, and then the sprayer. The first thing you want to do is shake it up, and then add the sprayer. And then you'll be ready to spray it. Remove the cap. The next step, you want to spray in a smooth motion back and forth or side to side. And you want to wait about 1 minute to 5 for it to dry, and we can add another coat. So in the process, if you noticed on a spot there was excess paint on there, all I did was grab my Scotch-Brite and then slightly go over it to smooth it all out. And then I would just apply another coat of sealer on there. So as you can see, our repair kits are easy to use. You don't need much. First thing is a wet rag, a dry one, and then of course the repair kit that does include the sprayer and the sealer, the paint. Simple, clean up the surface really good with the wet rag, then dry it up, and then with your Scotch-Brite, just sand it down, remove anything that you might have in scuffs, and then clean it up a little bit just when you're ready to spray the sealer all around. Hope this video is helpful. If you can just like that button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next one.